The surprising news about panthers. Have you ever come across some information that completely went against everything you thought you knew? I mean, how did we not know this? What's more, or perhaps more surprising, is that one of us here at the FAQ Factory, my sister, even went to a certain college that has this as their mascot. It's a panther, but apparently somehow she missed the mascot biology lesson. Because this big cat, what typically we would call a panther, is actually not a species of cat. What? We made this short where we explained that a panther is not its own species. By the way, check out our shorts playlist at the end of this video for lots of fun random facts on everything from animals to outer space. Anyway, basically the movie title The Black Panther is completely redundant because there are no other color options. You see, panther is a term in reference only to coat color. It's kind of like with domesticated cats. You can have a British short hair, American short hair, Maine Coon, Persian, and so on. But within those breeds, you can have a tuxedo cat, a tortoiseshell, a tabby, or a calico, among others. So calling a big cat a panther simply refers to the fact that it has black fur. All this time, we've been going around thinking that Bagheera from the Jungle Book by Rudyard Kipling is a black panther. And he is, but he's also an Indian leopard. You see, most panthers are either leopards or jaguars that have exceptionally black coats due to melanism. Melanism is the congenital excess of melanin in an organism, resulting in a dark pigment. Melanin is what provides pigmentation to human skin, hair, and eyes. It also aids in absorbing harmful ultraviolet rays and protects cells from sun damage. And it's why individuals with darker complexions have a lower risk of skin cancers, as they have more melanin than fairer skinned people. Albinism is basically the opposite, or the absence or lack of any melanin in the skin, hair, or eyes, resulting in an extremely white appearance. Melanism, along with albinism, can be found within the animal kingdom. This is why you may encounter an all-white lion or an all-black jaguar. And while the black coats can occur in 14 different cat species, it's common in leopards and jaguars, who typically earn the panther name as a result. Both albinism and melanism are genetic traits, meaning they result from a genetic mutation that results in an unusual amount of melanin. Interestingly, there seems to be some debate as to whether melanism, resulting in completely dark skin, hair, and eyes, can occur in humans. We found many sites and articles saying that it doesn't, but we did find a few saying that it does. However, those did not have very many articles or scientific evidence backing up those claims. So if it does exist in humans, it's extremely rare. The genetic mutation is different than people living closer to the equator, developing darker skin as an adaptation over time. This is not melanism. Both melanism and albinism are specific genetic mutations. These genetic traits can be passed on to offspring, sometimes generationally and sometimes as a recessive gene. Big cats are not the only animals in which melanism occurs. Many different mammals, amphibians, even reptiles can be affected by this mutation. Squirrels, birds like chickens, flamingos, penguins, also frogs, turtles, snakes, rabbits, and wolves, and many other animals can all be impacted. In wild cats, it's not absolutely clear what advantages or disadvantages may befall a melanistic cat. Some speculate that it's advantageous for hunting at night or just camouflaging in general. But other researchers speculate that not having white ear markings actually hinders these black cats from proper communication with fellow felines. Scientists still have a lot to learn about the genetics and the conditions to fully understand it. So while some of you out there may have already known that a panther is not a species, We're betting it surprised some of you like it did us. As our shorts hashtag says, now you know. We hope you found this video informative and entertaining. Please consider liking, following, and even sharing this video to help promote our channel. We appreciate all of you who watched to the end. Feel free to leave us a comment or a question that you may want us to research in the future. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep questioning. See you next time.